In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Printify ship from address information so your own business address appears instead of the default Printify address. To get started, log into your Printify account and open your main dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click the gear icon labeled Store Settings. Once you're in Store Settings, select the Ship from Address tab at the top of the page. This is where you control the return or origin address associated with your store's shipments. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. By default, Printify may be set to use its automatic address. To update it, switch the setting from the automatic Printify default address to custom address. You can now enter your own address details, including your street address, city, state, country, and zip code. Make sure everything is accurate, since this is the address that will be used as your ship from information. When you've filled in all the fields, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the change. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Printify ship from address information.